Marhaba. Let's name some colors in Arabic. Red is أحمر. أحمر. Green is أخضر. أخضر. Blue is أزرق. أزرق. Black is أسود. White is أبيض. أبيض. If you want to be more specific and say if the color is light or dark, for example, light red is أحمر فاتح. For dark, أحمر غامق. فاتح is light. غامق is dark. Can be used with all colors except, I guess, white and black. Now, since Arabic likes to give a gender to all nouns, the color wording will change depending on the noun you're describing. For example, the door is red. الباب أحمر, masculine form. When saying the rose is red, الوردة حمراء, feminine form. Please write me in the comments if you have any questions. Shukran.